Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team. Today I'm going to be introducing this beautiful Reindeer Games 6x6 double-sided pattern paper. There are 12 patterns and 4 of each design. So let me show you the different patterns. There's this beautiful green. And then on the reverse side is this adorable sheet of paper with all these wonderful little reindeer. Our next pattern paper is with this red background and all the white snowflakes. And on the reverse, you have this holly with berries. Our next pattern paper is this beautiful diagonal stripe pattern with different shades of red and green and white on there. I like this for a background panel on a card. And then on the reverse, you have these cute little gingerbread men. You could cut these out and use them as embellishments on your cards or even on some tags. Our next sheet of pattern paper is this beautiful green polka dot. Then on the reverse, you'll see all these beautiful candy canes and candies, as well as some starburst snowflakes. Again, you could cut these out and use them as little embellishments. And then next we have this wonderful green, red, and white stripe. And on the reverse, some adorable ornaments. And last but not least, we have this wonderful green background with white snowflakes. And these colorful Christmas hats and snowflakes. So let's just flip through real quickly. And this paper is a nice sturdy weight of cardstock. So it will stand up to your paper projects. And let me share with you one card that I made using this pattern paper. I used the beautiful striped paper here for the background and then added some layers of red cardstock between that pattern paper and this green polka dot, and added this little strip of the pattern paper with candy canes and candies on it. I also added the Joy and Joy Shadow die sentiment, as well as the red and green glitter sequins. If you haven't done it already, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button on the Kat Scrappiness channel. Also, be sure to check out the links for the products I used in the description box below. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.